Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can edit accounts on Wallet, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app and near the list of accounts you can see that settings icon, click on that. And you have to select that account that you would like to edit, let's say bonus, and here you can edit the account. If you want to give another account name, you want to add a bank account number, or you want to select the color, for example, for that account, or you can exclude from stats, or you can turn off to be archived, or you can connect your bank like this at the bottom of the screen. And if you, for example, want to delete that account, click on that delete icon at the top of the screen, click on the yes, and that account was deleted from your account list. So this is how you can edit your accounts. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.